All right, what is going on, guys? It is Melch and we're back with another trading video. Now, this is not a live trading video. We're just going to go ahead and do a recap today since I had some technical difficulties, but this is the P&L. We're up $422 on the month on the 50K eval. And today we had a green day. All right, so yesterday was a pretty rough day. Lost pretty much almost all of this month's profits just on Monday. We didn't break any of our risk rules. We still risked less than 200 on all trades because that was 205, right? But that's, same thing. 200 is like my max risk per all trades. That's one of my rules. We just happened to be trading the wrong asset. I took all these losses on gold and missed the opportunities on NQ. Also, I did fuck up my rules because these two first trades were just in between trades. I wasn't trading at my predefined level. I was basically just over trading. So that was another breach of my rules. Was it a coincidence that the night before Wednesday, so Tuesday night, I ended up smoking weed and I ended up staying up a little bit late. Then I woke up a little bit late as well. So is that a coincidence that the night I do that, the next day I have a horrible day in the market? I'm not sure. But definitely just lost a little bit of momentum outside of the markets, and that kind of bled into my performance in the markets. But it is what it is, guys. Didn't let that fully ruin my day or month or week. Last night went to bed on the right time, did my stretching, woke up, went for a walk, woke up the right way, cold shower, fully 100% today, and we're walking away with one win and one loss. Took a almost $200 loss. And then a $325 win. Let's go ahead and break down what these trades were. Now, the first trade was on NQ, and this could have, now obviously, so we traded out the previous day point of control, and hindsight now, looking at it, we did basically respect this level, and then that was the bottom of the session. However, I took this trade before market open, so that is, at least for NQ, I usually don't want to trade before 950 with my specific strategy because I can, get stopped out more times than not. But we had the tap on the previous day point of control with some liquidity right here and liquidity right here. So pretty good confluences. Had the initial top with the bullish engulfing, coming in for a pullback. That's my typical setup, typical strategy. And we got stopped out, market opened, and then just absolutely ripped. So could have possibly avoided this if I didn't trade pre-market. However, this was my setup. I did follow my risk parameters and we just took an L. It is what it is. But yeah, could have possibly been avoided if we didn't trade pre-market. Now, next on gold, we took a W. So we had previous regular trading hours valley area low. And then we had this low right here. So nice confluences. Once again, pretty similar to NQ. We tapped the level. We may have even front ran it, right? But I was just like, if we get the reaction, I'm going to take it. Next candle was the bullish engulfing candle. And then I got in on the pullback, going for the fixed 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And we went ahead and hit on this. Could have even targeted the VWAP and we would have been successful as well. But I just took an L. And also yesterday was a horrible day. So I was like, okay, let's just go for that 2-to-1. And yeah, those were the two trades I took today. Pretty early into the market. And now I've just been chilling. It's almost 1 p.m. Eastern time. Nothing else has presented itself. So that's why I'm making this recap. I think I'm just going to call it a day, do some back testing. Look at silver, look at ES, because I typically don't look at either of those. I'm going to see if there's potential setups that form. But yeah, today we went 1 for 2, positive risk reward ratio. So we're coming out of the day profitable, even with the 50% win rate. And yeah, guys, so this was today, May 14th, a slight bounce back from yesterday's bad day outside of the markets and bad day in the markets. Today we were woken up fresh, woken up sober, waking up ready to just kill the day, get some sunlight, eat some good food, drink some water, whatever. But yeah, $127 profit on the day. Not mad about that. Still looking decent on the month. Lost some progress, but it is what it is. Guys, I still want this month to be my first profitable month of the year. So, we can't be too focused on the day-to-day P&Ls. Just need to learn from our mistakes. Without further ado, guys, follow me on Instagram. I'm GCFutures, and I appreciate y'all guys tuning in. Peace out.